Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn how to add a live sticker to your note in iOS 17 or later. As someone who loves to use a variety of stickers, live stickers have managed to impress me right from the word go. Probably the best part about this feature is that you can add live sticker to your favorite notes. Times when you may want to add some fun elements to your notes, this feature will have a role to play. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. First off, open the Notes app on your iPhone or iPad. Now head over to the note where you would like to add a live sticker and then open it. After that, tap on the tiny markup icon. Next up, tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next up, select Add Sticker in the menu. Up next, you should see all your custom live stickers. And finally, select the preferred sticker and then place it at the desired spot in your note and you are good to go. As there is no restriction at all, you can add as many live stickers to your note as you need, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can add a live sticker to your note on your iPhone or iPad. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.